Hello everyone! In this video, we will show you how to download all the images from the website with the Chrome extension. Step 1. Thanks to the Chrome extension, you can download all the images on a website. Step 2. I will write the add-on link in the video description section. On the page that opens, click the Add Chrome extension button. Step 3. Let's open a website. Let's click on the Add-on button for testing. Let's click on the Select All button. Then let's click on the Download Selected button. Step 4. After selecting the location to save, let's click Download. Our pictures started to download.